about these gorgeous curls. Keep watching, but first, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Yes, Prime as in Amazon Prime, as in get it in 2 days Prime. Yes, that's where I got my bundles and frontals from, y'all. Look, I order everything off of Amazon. Hair, never thought of it until I saw these reviews on Ali Julia, the company I ordered from. So I was like, let me go ahead and try it. I ended up ordering 2 bundles. This is the 20-inch of Malaysian Curly. I haven't ordered from an AliExpress company in over 4 years, but I decided to give this one a chance. And look at those curls. Look at the weft. The bundle is thick. Curls are beautiful. You can just run your fingers through them. The ends look pretty good. Pretty good. It wasn't a smell or anything when I opened the bag. Look at the curls, y'all. I love those curls. So the next bundle is an 18-inch. I only ordered 2 bundles because curly hair, I do not like my hair super thick. Each bundle came individually wrapped. That's the 18-inch. Look at that curl pattern. Beautiful once again. Bundles are very thick. I'm so glad I only ordered 2 bundles. The ends of the hairs looks pretty good, not bad. Just need a little bit of conditioner and to wash it or whatever, it'll be fine. And that's that bundle. Those are the 2 bundles. Look at that bounce. Oh my goodness, I love the way these curls look. I cannot wait to install this. Next, this is the frontal. I ordered a 16-inch Malaysian Curly Frontal to match the bundles, and yes, I'm so happy that the curl pattern matched the bundles because I've gotten bundles before and the frontal curl pattern has been a little off at times, but this looks like it matched perfectly. I'm definitely probably going to bleach these knots. I don't usually bleach every frontal I get, but I'm going to bleach these knots for sure. Curl pattern again is gorgeous. Girls, look at these curls. I cannot wait to install this. Now, these are other products I ordered off of Amazon. This is the continuous spray bottle. You're going to need that for when you have curly hair. You got to keep it moist and wet. And this is the leave-in conditioner I'm going to try. It's silicone based. It smells so heavenly. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And this is a GhostBond I'm going to use to put on my frontal. Yes, that's the only thing I've been using lately is the GhostBond. I love it. And this is my wig cap. And this is the weave-in net that I'm going to use because I'm going to put the wig cap part under the frontal. Then I'm going to put the weave-in cap on and sew the bundles onto it. And of course, everybody knows the Hello Hydrations. That's the shampoo and conditioner that I am using. Now, these are all the products that I used right here. I will link them down below. Keep watching. I've added a clip of the install and how it looks after it's washed and the curl pattern. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in my next video.